Hey guys, I'm so excited to share with you this particular side hustle. So if you have been looking for a way to actually make money in 2024 that a lot of people are using right now, you have to start TikTok Shop Affiliate. As you can see in this particular group, this particular person made over 1.7k dollar. This let me show you another screenshot. This one made over $100. This one actually made like I think it made 3,000 dollar. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can start this particular side hustle without showing your face on camera to record a voice, or without you buying product, or like to actually make video for. So ensure you watch this video from beginning to the end, because it's going to be a step-by-step tutorial. As you can see, this particular one is 3.6k dollar. So it's going to be a step-by-step guide. Ensure you follow up. So without further ado, let me quickly show you exactly how you can get into TikTok Shop Affiliate. So majorly, the country that is allowed to actually participate in TikTok Affiliate are majorly USA and Canada. So I'm from Nigeria, I can't be able to participate. So let me pause. So I'm going to pause this video. So as you can see, I'm unable to actually use TikTok Shop. But the method I actually use is, I have a friend in UK and I actually message him, oh, guy, can we actually do a deal? There's a particular side hustle that is working right now, which is called TikTok Affiliate, and people are really cashing out big time. So I message him, you have to create a TikTok shop so that we can be able to promote products on TikTok. So, and one of the major problem we are facing is how we can actually create a video. So I'm going to show you exactly how we've solved that particular problem in this video. It's very, very simple. So, and if you want to get a TikTok shop, the first step is to actually to partner with someone in USA or UK to get your shop. And if the person have not reached like 5,000 minimum threshold, there's a way around it. So the possible way to actually get a TikTok shop is to actually come to tickshop.tiktok.com. So whenever you get to this website, you are going to sign up as a product seller. So through the product seller, you are going to click on get started over here. So get started and sign up. You are going to verify your identity, like maybe you want to be a seller. So with there, you can be able to promote a product. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can actually find the product to promote. It's very, very simple, because one of the major mistakes a lot of people made whenever they want to start TikTok shop is actually promoting a lot of product without doing a proper research. So for you to actually make profit and make sales on TikTok, you have to make sure you do your research to find a product that is trending and that is making profit for others. And if you want to do that, it's very, very simple. So you have to use this particular tool, which is called calodata.com. So this particular AI tool, we actually search all database of TikTok to find some products that have been trending and products that a lot of people have been promoting on the platform to make sales. So let's go to the platform. Then we are going to click on the category, like shop category, to see some of the products a lot of people have been promoting to make sales. As you can see, this particular micro ingredients, it has made like 3.66 million, as you can see, and the trend is actually dying down. So this particular one, which is Malo Minto, it has made like a 2.0 million sales, so, and in revenue rather. So as you can see, the trend is going up. So we can actually promote this product, and the average sale for this particular product is 17.58. So let's assume that we want to start promoting this kind of product, because we have to make sure we are not reinventing the wheel, like trying to find a lot of product to promote. Just find the product that is tested and is working. So now that we have actually get our TikTok affiliate shop, and we also get the product to promote, so the next thing is to actually make video for this particular product, which is called Mali Minto. So it's to promote this particular product. So like, due to the fact that a lot of people, they are just getting started and they can't be able to record their voice and buy the product, because if you want to actually be successful with TikTok shop, TikToks require you to actually buy this product and make video for this product. So the possible and the best way that I'm able to solve this particular problem is to come to this particular website, which is called Vara Ecom Adz. Vara Ecom Adz. I'm going to drop the link to this particular website in the video description for you to check out. So this particular website actually creates the video for you. They are going to buy the product and create the video for you. It's very, very simple. Let's see some of the example of the video sample they've created. So let's play this video so that you can see.
I can see them brighter days.
So as you can see, this is one of the video. Let's play this one to see. So these are the video that this particular website is going to provide for you. So all you have to do is to come to this their TikTok shop package. So you are going to come to their TikTok shop package and be able to actually order for one of their packages. So as you can see, TikTok shop affiliate packaging, and this particular video have been tested like from the vendor themselves, like the TikTok shop merchant. So they use the template as the template is a viral script that they use. So as you can see, you are going to get the package, the new member package, which is going to cost you like $70 for 5 videos. So they are going to create 5 videos for you, which is going to be faceless video for one product. So like for example now, let's assume that you are just getting started, you want to actually start promoting products on TikTok shop. So all you have to do is to actually buy this particular product, and they are going to deliver the video within 1 to 3 business days. So they are going to give you the proving to convert a video ad, and you have the option for you to actually ask for limited version. Like if you need the revision, they are going to do revision for you and be able to make sure you actually make sales. So because they are actually after your profit, like making profits at the long run, because if you actually make a lot of sales, definitely you are going to come back to actually buy more of their product. So, and one of the advantage you can actually take now is to actually to join their VIP member. So if you join their VIP member, instead of you paying like $70, you are going to pay just $17.50. So you have to join their membership fee. So all you have to do is to click on buy, and it's going to add to cart. You are going to tell them, fill the form about what you actually need, the kind of video you actually need, and they are going to make the video for you within 3 to 4 business days. So mind you, whenever they want to deliver your video to you, they are not going to, it's not going to be, sound is not going to be added to your video. So let's see the package to actually show you what you are going to get. So TikTok shop package, they are going to deliver the video for you without adding a sound. So as you can see, it's going to be 5 faceless TikTok video for one product without test and without test version. So no sound is going to be added. Like you have to find a TikTok shop, you have to actually upload it to TikTok to find the sound you are going to use, and it's going to be like maybe 7 to 10 minutes seconds video for you that they're going to deliver for you. So right now that we have showed you exactly how you can sign up for TikTok and how you can actually find faceless video for you to promote, and how you can start making consistencies on TikTok. So let me show you, for those that maybe you don't have someone in UK or US that can help you out, and you have not reached the minimum threshold of 5,000. So the best and the possible way to actually get I'm going to pause it, to actually get to TikTok shop is to actually buy like already made TikTok shop, like that have reached the maximum threshold, like they are already selling of TikTok. So you can actually buy the TikTok shop account and start doing your promotion. So I think that should be all for today. If this video actually helped you out, please ensure you actually subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell, so that whenever I drop a new video like this, you are going to be the first one to actually watch my strategy. And also I'm going to be doing an in-depth video about viral Ecom Adz, so ensure you subscribe so that I'll be able to see the next video on my channel. Thanks. I will see you in my next video.